Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome back to the new learning session. I am Mrs. SHILPA JAIN, your biology teacher from Shri Gauri Shankar Higher Secondary School, Gwalior. In my previous video, I have already explained the modes of, or we can say types of, asexual reproduction. Now, the topic which we are going to learn today is the first type of asexual reproduction, that is fission. Fission, most common in the protozoans. Students, for example, unicellular organisms. It present into the protozoans, or we can say unicellular organisms. This is the first type of asexual reproduction. Its meaning is splitting. You know very well, splitting. That means one parent cell splits into the two daughter cells. On this basis of the division, it are of two types. Number one is binary fission and number second is multiple fission. Dear students, you know very well what do you mean by splitting? Splitting occurs into the first nucleus and then cytoplasm. That means nucleus first divides and cytoplasm the next divides into the completely the next. That means in the fission, first is karyokinesis occur and second one is cytokinosis occur. I told you in the fission, parent cell splits into the two daughter cells. On this basis, fission are of two types. And examples of this fission is amoeba, leishmania, paramecium, bacteria, protozoa. Now, I am teaching you the types of fission. There are two types of fission, binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission in which one parent cell or unicellular organism splits into the two daughter cells. It is a simple type of fission. After attaining maximum size, and organism divides again into the two daughter cells and then is going on. Now the two daughter cells which are morphologically and genetically identical or similar to their parent. So, note one thing, students. It process, or we can say this process is natural. That means organism divided by binary fission are considered as immortal, or we can say natural. That means they do not die as they grow old. They do not die as they grow old. So point to be noted in your notebook. It is important point for the binary fission. Now the binary fission are of three types: irregular binary fission, longitudinal binary fission and transverse binary fission. Okay, dear students. Now, irregular binary fission are present into the amoeba. For example, amoeba. It is most common in protozoans, occurs in favorable condition. It occurs into the favorable condition. No fixed plane takes place. It takes place in any plane. There is no fixed plane because of its structure. Amoeba is irregular in shape. So there is no any fixed plane for division, or we can say multiplication. First, in this process, irregular binary fission, first step is nucleus splits into this. Here I have drawn the structure of amoeba. Amoeba has one nucleus, I have shown here in the red color, and one contractile vacuole, and it filled with the cytoplasm. So it is a basic structure, it is irregular structure. Okay, now it is parent cell, or we can say amoeba parent cell. Here, first step is nucleus division takes place. First, that means karyokinesis. Karyokinesis takes place in the first step. They see nucleus are dividing in the structure. That means elongation is start. Contraction of nucleus take place. So development of a groove between the middle of nucleus, and gradually its cytoplasm splits into the two daughter cells by the contraction and making a groove also. So first karyokinesis occur, and second thing is cytokinesis occur, and after some time it divided into the two clear separately daughter cells, amoebae. So two daughter cells, that means we get the two daughter cell from the first, or we can say one parent cell. So we can say that this process is simple, and it is an immortal process, or we can say naturally occur, because there is no any death of organism. That means one parent cell gives rise to the two daughter cell, and again two daughter cells give rise to the another two, and another two gives rise to the another two. So there is no any death. So that means organism divided by the binary fission are considered as immortal, or we can say natural. That means children, they do not die as they grow old. That's all for today, children. I hope the topic is clear to you. You have to revise it and note down if you want in your notebook. And thank you for listening to me carefully. See you soon in the next video. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye.